there, little artists. It's Harry the Hedgehog, and I'm so excited to chat with you today while you bring me to life on paper. Did you know hedgehogs like me are kind of like walking pincushions?
Yep, I'm covered in over 5,000 spines.
But don't worry, they're not for poking friends. These are my super secret ninja defense tools. Cool, huh? Speaking of cool, guess what? We hedgehogs are nocturnal, which means we stay up all night. I call it my night owl vibe, but with spikes. I'm basically the party animal of the nighttime forest. You might be sleeping, but I'm out there exploring, sniffing around, and munching on yummy bugs. Yes, bugs, you might think. Ooh, bugs. But to me, they're a 5-star meal. Ever seen a hedgehog eat a worm? It's like spaghetti night, but a little wiggly. Now here's something funny. I can roll into a ball whenever I feel scared. Imagine if you could do that. Just tuck in your arms and legs. Poof! You're a bouncy little ball. But rolling isn't just for fun. It's my way of saying, don't mess with me. I bet even a lion would think twice before swiping at a spiky ball like me. Here's a secret. I don't have the best eyesight, but my nose? It's like a super-smelling radar. I can sniff out food hiding underground. And did you know, I make a little sneezing sound when I sniff really hard? It's kind of like a hedgehog-sized hot chew. Pretty adorable, right? Now, let's talk about my famous hedgehog shuffle. Have you ever seen a hedgehog run? Picture a chubby little marshmallow on toothpicks waddling as fast as it can. That's me. I'm not winning any races, but I sure know how to make people laugh when I try. Sometimes I even trip over my own feet. Don't tell anyone, okay? Here's a quirky fact about me and my hedgehog friends. We sometimes do something called self-anointing. It sounds fancy, but it's kind of weird. If I smell something new and interesting, I lick it and then rub the scent all over my spines. I call it my hedgehog perfume. Who needs store-bought cologne when nature gives you everything you need? All right, little artists, you've made me look so handsome today. Thanks for drawing along and listening to my hedgehog tailies. Remember, every little creature has something special about them, even wiggly worms. So stay curious, keep drawing, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.